Hey, we're back. This is another episode of Guide Dog. No, I'm not Simon. I'm here with my good buddy Shafieq. Shafieq, say hello.
Hello.
Well, I'm going to be the one blindfolded today. He's going to bring me through a game, hopefully. What's the challenge? Am I just beating a level?
I hope so.
I guess we'll see.
Oh, it wasn't before? Okay, no. I made my good jokes already. No, I'm not funny anymore.
Make your best jokes while the camera's not rolling.
Okay.
That's how Sam does it.
If you want to beat this mission, what's my favorite color?
Green.
Green? No.
Shit.
You're close.
I don't know what to do. Like, I feel like closing my eyes, but at the same time, it's like it doesn't make a difference at all.
Okay, well, go straight. There. Now go straight. Full speed. Ram it. Yes. Okay. Press X.
Oh, that's A.
There you go. Okay, go to the table. Go to your left. Go straight. No, yep. At a 140 degrees angle to your left.
140 degrees to your left?
I want to see what that world map is. Oh, no. Go. Oh, no. Okay, keep going. Okay. Oh, no, you passed it again. Damn it, Zack. Okay, now. X. There you go. You're almost beating the level. Press X one more time. Wow. Stop. Press X. Press X. Press X. Press X. Press X. Wow, there you go. Good job.
This is so fucking condescending.
Can I press A to jump in? Oh, baby! Some water. I see some water. I see some sky, some nice city view skyline. Look down a bit. Oh, now go straight. Walk on. Walk on. Oh, stop! You almost killed us. Jesus, dude.
Okay.
Let me take a breather here. Oh my goodness. Holy shit, there's people dead on the ground. Okay, go in. Ew, this girl's so ugly. Jesus, I don't want to play this game again. Okay, go straight. Go all the way straight. Sorry, I had a burp. You just ran into the wall. Good job. Oh wow, you ran into a clog. Good job. Oh, there's some fruits on the table that's glowing. Do you want to look at it?
No.
Okay. Okay, go look to your left of it. Go over to your left. Now go straight. Straight. Press X! Now kill him. RB. RT. Oh my goodness! You just stabbed him in the chest. Hold X actually. There we go. Go back. There's a Japanese garden around here. I see it. It's a nice, beautiful tree. You know the one from Conflict Panda? Or right, sorry. No, go back to your right or left. Stop. No, go back to your right a bit. Okay, that's good. Now move to your right side. Oh my god, there's a girl then. Okay, press X. Oh my god. Okay, RT to fight that bitch. Oh shit, no, look down a bit. Oh, fuck. Careful. Oh, the books, kill him now. Press RT. Oh my god, save yourself.
You have to tell me which way to look.
Okay. Now look to, no, go back straight. Look down a bit. Okay, go straight and try to hit him. Yes! Oh, fuck. He's blocking. Press RT. Press RT. Go straight. Go down. Look down. Yes, look down. He's dead. Okay, stop. Okay, now you're running into a chair. Go backwards. Go to your right a bit more. Yeah, there you go. Oh, shit. You fuck up this every time we play this. We start the mission. You fucking run into a chair. Go back. Go back. Fuck, god damn it. Go! Oh! I never felt more disabled.
Is that good?
Oh, kill the guy. He's down the stairs. You're looking out. You're on top of him. Look down. Okay, wait, stop. Go straight. Hit him now. Yeah. Yes, kill him. Oh, yes, Zack. Go straight. Go look at full 360 turn to your back. Oh fuck, he killed you in the head. No, yeah, hit him. Press RT, press repeatedly. Oh fuck.
Am I dead?
Can you just say that?
Was that a little bit racist? So, I'm trash at the game.
Of course.
Clearly. I feel like I'm getting herpes from the sweater.
It's pretty good.
So what we're doing is a little thing we have called a tag-in. And so basically what's going to happen is, since I cannot finish this part, I'm going to hand off the controller to Shafieq. He will finish the part for me. I will remain blindfolded throughout the whole thing. What is it, 2 minutes? He gets 2 minutes of time. And then he hands the controller back to me. So we're gonna do that now.
Hey, yo. Oh, fuck. Fucking bitch. Die, motherfucker.
Well, you killed him first go. Right?
Let me take you, bitch. Let me cut off your legs first and then I'm gonna leave. No, fuck it. I'm gonna carry this bitch. Making my bitch in the next level. And go fucking throw you down the stairs. Oh shit, who's fighting me? Oh, fuck. Oh, motherfucker. Wanna fucking fight me? Oh shit, this is so much funner. Fucking fight me, motherfuckers. Let's go. Oh shit, 360. Oh fuck, there's 3 people. What did I do? Oh shit, I just died. Oh wow. Good God, Zack. You're about to die. I don't know what to do. Get on his husband, punch him, hit him. There's 3 against 1. I don't know, he died. Go straight. Oh no, hit him. Left. A bit. Yeah. Okay, fuck. 2 swords against one again. He just died. Press it. How the fuck does he kill us with 1 guy? Oh my fuck. Why are there fucking 3 people now? God damn it. Why is this a thing? Look here, right a bit. Oh fuck, why are there 3 people all the time? Oh fuck.
Am I dead?
Yeah. Hit him. He's right in front of you. Look to your left, right, no, straight.
Look to your left, right, no, straight.
Walk straight. Hold it. Are you fucking kidding me? Fuck. Oh fuck.
Hey, Game Grumps, it's Connor here.
No, you can't say that.
Hey, Jake Paulers, it's
No,
Connor.
you can't say that one either.
Logang?
That's probably more acceptable.
Hey guys, it's here.
No, go. He's right there. Go straight forward. Oh fuck! Now you're hitting the wall. Go back.
Where is he? Is he in here?
Yeah, right. Oh fuck! Left. Oh fuck! Yes, you killed him. You.
Did I?
Yes, you did.
Are the guards in here?
Now go back. Go straight.
Are the guards in here?
I think more right. Okay. More right. Oh fuck! He killed you. Stop moving your head. God damn it, Connor. 180. Yeah. Now hit him. There's a guy right in front of you. Okay, look to your right a bit. Oh fuck! How did they kill you so fucking fast?
We will kill him, and then I'm putting it back on.
I want you to destroy them, like when they come, like run, well, no, yeah, run them, fucking
So like
kill
you
them.
see what?
Run on him, oh baby! This is fucking Hulk Hogan and Ric Flair matchup right here. Why is this bitch fucking stab him? Yes! Oh.
Got his stuff?
Yeah. Oh fuck! Pick up the body.
Wait on you.
Okay, for sex then I thought you were gonna throw it into the water or something.
Holy crap, we did it.
Well, you've just watched that exciting gameplay of us failing to play. What is this game called?
Dishonored 2.
Dishonored 2. That's it. I guessed it. Well, it's good to have my buddy Shafieq here. Connor played for me as well a little bit. I'll do better next time. I promise. See ya.
No, he's not.